Hey everyone, it's the last creation of the year and I made this thing. Let's get to the build. So I'm starting this project with the Christmas tree first. For this, I cut a wooden stick of 20 centimeters, then thinned it down from top to bottom. I drilled holes for the branches and drilled a hole for the peg at the bottom of the tree. Cut various sizes of wire for branches, glued them on the stick and used baking powder to strengthen some of the branches. Once that's done, I applied static grass on it. And with the help of PVA glue, I applied the first layer of green flock. Next, I applied hairspray and added more and more flock. Trimmed some of the branches and applied more PVA glue to start working on the snow. Once the tree is done, I started making decorations. For this, I used basic wooden pipe beads. I glued a star jewelry piece to a toothpick and completed the assembly with a pipe bead. Painted the star in red before I was finally done with this. So I picked up a few items caught my eye in my bits box. I'll use plastic forks to make its legs. This plastic piece to build the body on. A few wires to add details. Straws to make exhaust pipes. Various jewelry bits to add more details. Cutting off some cardboard to cover the top and bottom parts of the body. And getting rid of the handle part of this. After a not so quick sanding of the plastic, I glued the bottom part with hot glue gun and the top part with CA glue. Prepared the pieces to assemble the legs. And glued all the pieces with a 90-degree angle. Drilled holes on them off the camera to stick a toothpick to help me be able to bend the legs when attached to the body. Once all the legs are complete, I sanded the rough edges with my Dremel, then started adding details with cardboard strips. I'm making hinge-like parts for the legs assembly. This gave me an idea for a future video. If you haven't seen the video for this turret, you can find the link here or here. Anyway, back to the build. So the legs tend to bend too much. I'm adding some sort of a stopper piece on each leg. Later on, I started to add paneling details from the same cardboard. I made these exhaust pipes off the camera and then started to work on the undercarriage. Decided to make some sort of a hatch there from cardboard cutout and some plastic pieces. Made a random assembly of cables in the backside and added random pieces from the jewelry bit. Here I'm building its head, so to speak, from again plastic bits, rhinestones and cardboard pieces. Also, sorry for the camera acting up, I forgot it on autofocus mode instead of manual. With circular beads and pieces, I'm covering up the top parts of the leg assembly. and more bits and pieces here and there to add more detail. I primed it with black primer, then applied a watered down red as the base color. Painted the rest of the parts and pieces with various colors. I wanted this to be in Christmas theme, so mainly I used white, green, bronze and gold colors. Once the paint job is complete, I cover the top part with regular glue. Added ground flock over it, and sprayed rubbing alcohol to seal it. Once the ground flock dried up, I put the two pieces together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next year. Sorry I had to.